Hi everyone, this is Valentina. Today I wanted to share how to crochet this very easy pattern. I was using very thin yarn in white off color, and it comes very beautiful pattern. You can use this pattern for shawl, for scarf or blanket. And then in aqua color, this is number 4 Vinous Choice yarn, 100% soft acrylic. So for this pattern you will need multiples of 5 and you need to add one more chain. So let's get started, and then just make your slip knot and let's make chain. So you have 20 stitches, and I add one more. So for the first row you chain 2, yarn over, and now skip 4 stitches, 4 chains, 1 2 3 4 into the 5th, and make double crochet and double crochet, another one double crochet into the same chain, double crochet, you yarn over, insert into the stitch or chain, yarn over again, pull through. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2, and this is your double crochet. Now chain 2 and make 2 double crochet into the same chain, 1 and 2 and 2. Okay, so now we'll skip 4 chains, 1 2 3 4 into the 5th, and make 2 double crochet from that one, 1 and 2. Now chain 2, 1 2, and make again 2 double crochet from the same chain, 1 2, and just repeat like this. Yarn over, skip 4, 1 2 3 4 into the 5th, make 2 double crochet, and just continue the entire row like that. 2 chain 2, yarn over, and again from the same 2 double crochet. Very easy. Skip 4, 1 2 3 4 into the 5th, one 2, chain 2, yarn over, and again 2 double crochet from the same stitch, 1 and 2, and we finish. When you are done with your row, we'll make 1 double crochet. So if you added the right number of the chains, so you should have 3 chains, you skip 2 into the last one, you make double crochet, 1 double crochet into the last one, just like that, for the edging, for the nice edging. So you'll have right here those 2 counts as 1 double crochet, chain 2 where we started, and then for the to end the row you have also double crochet. So next row, chain 2 to start and turn around, and now we'll make double crochet into that space between those 2 double crochet stitches. So let's make 2, 1 2 double crochet, now chain 2 and make again 2 double crochet into that same space, 1 and 2, and just continue like that the entire row. Again double crochet, and you don't need to count anything, you just make the double crochet into that space. 1, 2 double crochet, between them chain 2 and additional 2 double crochet again, and here we go. Now you go to the next space, yarn over and make 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet. Just repeat like that. I will go yarn over, 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet. And when you finish the row, we finish with 1 double crochet into that very last right here stitch, double crochet to finish. And let's work on the third row. To start, every row will be the same. We start with chain 2, turn around and make double crochet into that space, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 2 in between, yarn over again, make 2 double crochet, yarn over, 2 double crochet from the next, space right here, chain 2 and 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and just continue like this again the entire row and the entire project. Very easy, not complicated at all, and this creates very nice pattern. 1, 2 double crochet and chain 2 and again 2 double crochet here, and we finish the row with the double crochet, 1 double crochet, just like that, and here we go. So again you chain 2 in between those two, but you do not chain anything right here, do not make any chain, just work like that. And let's work on another row. Again chain 2 and turn around, another row, yarn over and insert into that space, 2 double crochet, chain 2, again 2 double crochet, yarn over into next space, we make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 2, 1, 2 and 2 double crochet again, two double crochet here, and chain 2 in between them, and 2 double crochet, double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet, and to finish, we'll finish the row with 1 double crochet from the last stitch right here, and here we go. Beautiful pattern, I love it, very nice. Guys, please subscribe, and also if you like this video, please give thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video on my next project. Bye bye.